This question we're being asked to sketch y equals 3 to the x and to give the value of the y-intercept. Well, I'm just going to jump straight to the y-intercept, and that is going to be when x is 0, so I get 3 to the 0, which is 1. Essentially, any exponential of this form, whether it's 2 to the x or 4 to the x, will go through 1, so I can label that on. And then, this is actually only a 2-mark question. They kind of expect you to just know what exponentials look like, and this is what it would look like. A little bit like that. And then we'd be done with the question. Now, just for info, so 4 to the x would look like that, 2 to the x. If you had 3 to the minus x, that's when they look a little bit different, and actually it's kind of a reflection. It looks a bit like that instead, just for info. And what if you had no idea what it looked like? Well, this is a calculator question, so you could try some values out. You could even get your table function out, or you could just try, maybe try putting in 1, 2, 3, and so on. And what you'll see actually is that we're just timesing by 3 every time. So when x is 1, we just get 3 to the 1, which is 3. When x is 2, I would get 3 squared, which is 9. Oops, 3 squared, which is 9. And then 3 to the power 3, I would times by 3 again, and I get 27. And you can see that as I go along 1 in the x direction, it's jumping up. That's why it's getting really big. Meanwhile, for the negative powers, actually 3 to the minus 1 is 1/3. So you can see it goes below 1. And then 3 to the minus 2 is actually 1/3 squared, or 1/9. And again, you can see that it approaches 0. It's really important you don't get it to touch that axis though. And like I said, if you wanted to, you could get your table function. You could maybe put in 3 to the x. Ignore that one. Maybe start at, I don't know, -5, end at 5 steps of 1, and you can suddenly see like it's really tiny here. It's getting bigger. That's our 1/9, 1/3, 1, and it's the ones I said. So that is another way of doing this question. But if I was going to summarize, I'd say like learn to get the y-intercept. It's something to the power 0 in this case, and learn what an exponential looks like.